Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Canon Image Formula DR-C130 document scanner, the ownable AC-DC adapter replacement. If one has ever found themselves with a lost, damaged, or simply unreliable power supply for their scanner, they know how frustrating it can be to halt their workflow. This replacement unit is right out of the box. One notices that this is a brand new, high-quality replacement. It's specifically designed to be compatible with the Canon Image Formula DR-C130, as well as various Canon model numbers like MG140-578, MG147-45, and MG150-42, ensuring a perfect fit and proper power delivery. The input voltage is a standout feature, boasting an AC 102 40V5060 Hz auto-sensing capability, making it an excellent choice for professionals who travel or for anyone needing a versatile power solution. The travel special feature mentioned truly highlights this global compatibility, removing the need for multiple adapters when moving between different regions. A practical aspect that users will certainly appreciate is the generous 10-foot cable length. This provides ample flexibility in setting up a scanner, allowing it to be positioned comfortably without being tethered too closely to a wall outlet. No more struggling with short cords or needing extension cables just to get the scanner where it needs to be. Safety is paramount when it comes to electronics, and the ownable adapter doesn't cut corners here. It comes equipped with essential safety features, including overvoltage protection and overheat protection. These safeguards are crucial for protecting both the adapter itself and, more importantly, the valuable Canon scanner from potential electrical damage. Knowing that the unit has been tested and is in great working condition provides an extra layer of confidence in its reliability. The design is straightforward, featuring a wall mount type, which means the main adapter block plugs directly into a wall outlet, keeping the workspace tidy. While the product description mentions MagSafe as a connector type for a Canon scanner, it's important to clarify that this refers to a secure and reliable connection that ensures a stable power flow, rather than Apple's proprietary technology. It simply means one can expect a firm and dependable connection to their scanner. In essence, for anyone needing a robust and reliable power supply for their Canon Image Formula DR-C130 or similar models, this ownable replacement adapter presents itself as a highly capable option. Its worldwide compatibility, extended cable length, and built-in safety features make it a practical and smart investment to keep document scanning operations running smoothly.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.